Good morning, party people! I'm back in Innsbruck and waiting for my bus to Halle in Tirol, which is over there. And yeah, with a new smartphone, new smartphone, Gucci, who is daddy's darling? Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah, I start my tour again 5 days later. I thought that I get my smartphone a little bit earlier back, but no. Well, still without my cowboy hat because you know what happened a couple of days before. And of course my hat is still yeah. Anyways, what? Rocky's wisdom. Cowboy hats are like ex-girlfriends. They always come back. Not. Yeah. Munich, Venice. This is my way, so we go over there. Just kidding. Not again. Hello, little fella. Woo. Behind me you can see the Cavendel Mountains, still snow on the top. And yeah, there's still my cowboy hat. I think over there. Over there? I don't know. Really, I've just one question. I mean, I see all the houses over there, and there is buttons, and I think, you know, you are here on the top, and seriously, if you forgot something, like butter or, don't know, beer, something, anything, and you say, hey darling, could you please go to the supermarket because we forgot something, butter, you know, or eggs, so, and I would say, no.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
They're watching me. Stop in the name of love. I should stop that. Whenever you're not quite sure if that's the right way or not, so because you see behind me quite small path, then look at the stones with this mark, then you're probably right, and the next one is over there. So jump from level to level to level, or from stone to stone, with the sign. See, next one. Fuck you! Boop. I should shut my trash mouth, otherwise I go to hell with all this fuck and shit, dumb ass freak punk shit. What should I say? After an hour I said, maybe I'm not right. Okay, there was marks on the stone. And then I turn on my GPS, and my GPS said, nope, we're definitely not in the right direction. I said, so what should I do? I mean, the thing is, I have maps with me and the compass, but I don't use it. So very good, Rocky, very well. So I don't know, maybe. The thing is, over there, this is the way to the Lizumer Hütte, but the mark showed in this direction, so I have no idea where I actually are. So I have to go, or went all the way down and, you know, look it up. Yeah, because nobody's here, which I can ask, so that means all the way down. I hope earlier I find my way. So Rocky's wisdom for today: if you don't have it here, then you better have it in your legs. This guys over there helped me out and said, "Hey, you are definitely wrong." I said, that's what I thought. Yeah, anyways, yeah, I have to walk all the way down and then go over the bridge. And he said, then 2 hours. I hate myself. Oh, Rocky, why you such an idiot? You don't read a map or GPS either. Tell me, why are you so stupid? You think the marks on the stones are right, but there wasn't. But there were people who showed you the way, because you are such a stupid idiot. Okay, it's hangry. It's a mix between angry and hungry. Alles gut, ich mache nur ein Video. Dankeschön. Said wanna take a picture of mine? I said definitely no. I did not know that I'm here on the restricted military area from the Bundesheer. But now I found my way to the Lizumer Hütte. Yay! Just 3.5 more hours. Yippee yeah. Just 614 vertical meter and 8 kilometer. So God bless. I had my pre-workout over there. So my muscles are warm. Easy going. Still the restricted military area, but the Bundesheer have a really beautiful area here. Over there is my goal. Yeah, good evening. Yeah, I did it to the Lizumer Hütte or Lizumer Hut on 2019 above the sea level. Thank you. Yeah, but first things first, what I learned today. First, if you have maps with you and a compass, then use them. Especially when you paid more than 70-80 bucks for that. Secondly, if you think you are wrong and your GPS said as well that you're wrong, then don't go farther. And yeah, third, the Bundesheer, the Austrian army, is definitely very, very nice, and they help you out if you have any question, especially for the way.